Are you ready to row in a virtual world? Hi, I'm Ami of EXR. In this video today, we'll look at everything you need to know to connect your rowing machine and heart rate monitor to our app. Start by opening EXR on your device. EXR runs on anything, from Android to Windows or even Apple TV. Just choose your favorite setup. Next, log into your EXR account. If you don't already have one, just register for free by clicking on this button. To connect, make sure that you enable Bluetooth and location services on your device. Give EXR permission to use both. Next, we take a look at your rowing machine. EXR works with so many different brands, like Concept 2, RP3, Water Rower, you name it. Let's connect this Concept 2, for example. To activate its Bluetooth, click on the menu button and then on Connect. Other models may require you to pull the handle to activate the Bluetooth signal. Just check your rower's manual for instructions. In EXR, connect your rowing machine by clicking on this icon. Now that you connected your rowing machine, let's connect your heart rate monitor. First, put on your heart rate monitor to activate it. Second, connect your heart rate monitor by clicking on this icon. Select Finish Setup and you're ready to row. Good news! The next time you row with EXR, you will skip this whole setup process. That's because the app remembers your last connected devices. Just boot up EXR, activate your rowing machine and jump right into your workout. Now that you know how to connect your gear, you're all set for your first virtual rowing workout. Enjoy your training!